This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use emojis in Google Docs. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. If you want to insert an emoji into Google Docs, what you do is you go up to Insert and then click Emoji, and from there you will see a drop-down box appear and all of the emojis that are available to use in Google Docs. So you can either scroll down until you find what you want, or you can go through the different categories. Say you want to use a food and drink emoji, or you want to use an object emoji. You can sift through them that way. You can also search for different emojis. So if I want the high five emoji, I can just type high five, and then that emoji will appear. Additionally, you can change the skin tone of the person emojis by clicking the little arrow that appears in the lower right-hand corner. So that arrow will indicate that that emoji is changeable. And let's say I want this emoji, this walking emoji. I will click that arrow, and now I have the opportunity to not only change the skin tone of the person, but the gender as well. So let's say I want this person as my emoji. I'll select that, and then you will select it again in order to insert it into the document. You can also add emojis by using a keyboard shortcut, which in this case is just a colon. When you do that, you can search emojis by typing what you want. So I'm going to type running, and I can insert an emoji by typing the type of emoji I want and pressing the result. And you can also, if you just happen to know the name of the emoji you want, you can just type the whole thing, and then you'll get a smiley, even though that one's black and white and not the color, the yellow one. So this video shows you how to insert emojis in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful tips in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.